Hello everyone, I am Alejandra Quiroga and this activity is for English for class, and today I am going to present you a short story. The story is The Snow That Furry Like Loving Flamingos. Okay, this story tells the small relationship between Alan Partridge and Eva Aust. He is Alan. Alan is the secretary of the company. His right hand, his unconditional support, a handsome and intelligent man who seeks to grow in the company, seeks a new job opportunity. While she is Eva, and Eva is the owner of the company, a successful, beautiful, but lonely billionaire woman. Okay, their sorry. Their little events occurs on a small country road, while each snowed their personal interest on the other. Personally, I believe it was not what I wanted to say in the story. I find it very funny and has parts that do not even make sense. So, I think that the best part of the story is when Alan asks for a promotion while she tells him what she loves. This part is incredible. And the worst part, I think, that is when he says, or Alan says, they look like fried foxes, because this part is very funny. So, I think if I did it again, I will change the plot and the adjectives they use to describe them. But for now, I could change the title and put a fun encounter in the snow. I think that this title is more appropriately for the story. This title is according for the success in the story. And finally, I think the end will be something unexpected, like he got tired of the river for not getting what they want. This finally is very interesting for the story, and when the people read a short story and the story is funny, the people enjoy it. Thank you so much. That's all. And thank you for your attention. See you later.